Hello friends, welcome to my new update video of 5++. Today we find out the x cube minus x square is if x to the power 5 plus x plus 1 equal to 0. Let's go start solution. Given x to the power 5 plus x plus 1 equal to 0. Okay, we get the missing here, the x to the power 5 plus x to the power 4 minus x to the power 4 plus x cube minus x cube plus x square minus x square plus x plus 1 equal to 0. Okay, here there is no x to the power 4, so we get the x to the power 4 x cube and x square. Now we can write x to the power 4 plus x cube plus x square plus x plus 1 and separated the minus x to the power 4 plus x cube plus x equal to 0. Okay, now we multiply the x minus 1 by x minus 1 and x to the power 5 x to the power 4 plus x cube plus x square plus x plus 1. Okay, minus here we also multiplying x minus 1 by x minus 1, get x to the power 4 x cube plus x equal to 0. Okay, we multiplying this, we get here the x to the power 6 plus x to the power 5 plus x to the power 4 plus x cube plus x square plus x. Okay, and the minus value and get the minus value, x to the power 5 minus x to the power 4 minus x cube minus x square minus x minus 1. Okay, and x minus 1, and similarly we multiply this here we common, here we get common here, here x square, get common x minus 1 x square plus x plus 1 to x square and x minus 1 equal to 0. Okay, and next we can write here is the x to the power 5 x to the power 5 x to the power 4 x to the power 4 x cube and x cube x square minus x and plus x. Okay, here we get x to the power 6 minus 1 x minus 1 minus, here we get from here we get x cube minus 1 by x minus 1 into x square equal to 0. So easy form get here, and we can write x cube whole square minus 1 square by x minus 1 minus x cube minus 1 into x square by x minus 1. Okay, we can write here is use a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. So x cube plus 1 and x cube minus 1 by x minus 1 minus x cube minus 1 into x square by x minus 1 equal to 0. We get common x cube minus 1. We get common x cube minus 1, and here we can write the denominator x cube plus 1 and x cube minus 1 minus x cube minus 1 and x square equal to 0. Now we get common x cube minus 1, x cube plus 1 minus x square equal to 0. So x cube minus 1 equal to 0 and x cube equal to 1, or x cube minus x plus 1 equal to 0. X cube, sorry, here x square equal to minus 1. This is the answer. Okay, thank you. We will see you the next update video. Okay.